Why are there not more people talking about the true impact of data science in our daily lives? Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamentals of data science and its significance in the modern world. Data refers to information, such as your daily step count, music preferences, or the current temperature. We are constantly surrounded by data, and data science provides the methods to interpret and utilize this information effectively. Data science uncovers patterns, supports medical professionals in diagnostics, and powers recommendation systems for entertainment and beyond. Consider a disorganized box of Lego bricks. Data science is the systematic approach that sorts, organizes, and constructs meaningful outcomes from complexity. Data science is accessible to anyone interested in analytical thinking, not just specialists in technical fields. Developing data literacy enables you to ask insightful questions and critically evaluate information. When encountering statements like "studies show," you will be equipped to inquire about the data sources and methodologies involved. Data science offers a structured toolkit for clear and scientific reasoning. It enables us to address complex challenges and make informed decisions. Prepare to engage with the essential concepts and applications of data science. Together, we will examine how data science shapes various aspects of our lives. Let us begin. What does a data scientist do? They're part detective, part artist, and part engineer. As detectives, they dig through data to solve mysteries, like why sales dropped or which patients respond best to treatment. As artists, they turn numbers into clear, beautiful charts and graphs, making complex info easy to understand. Data visualizations tell stories at a glance. As engineers, they build tools and models using code to clean data and make predictions, like forecasting tomorrow's weather. All these skills combine to create real-world value. For example, if customers leave an app after an update, a data scientist finds out why so it can be fixed. The goal isn't just to find facts, but to make a difference. Data scientists solve problems and help people make better decisions. It's a field that blends curiosity, creativity, and technical skill. They use data to improve products, save lives, and make our world smarter. In short, data scientists are modern problem solvers. They turn information into action. That's the magic of data science. You've heard of big data, but what makes it big? It's not just about size. Big data is massive, fast, and complex, way beyond what a simple spreadsheet can handle. Every online video, photo, or map search adds to this mountain of information. To understand big data, remember the 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Volume means there's a huge amount. Think millions of movies worth. Velocity is the speed. Data is created every second, like a river that never stops. Variety means data comes in many forms: numbers, text, photos, videos, and more. Veracity is about trust. Can we rely on the data, or is it messy or wrong? Value is the most important. Data is only useful if it leads to better decisions or discoveries. Big data is both a challenge and an opportunity. With the right tools, we can turn this flood of information into something meaningful. That's the power of the 5 V's. Let's see how they work in action. Let's zoom in on volume and velocity, the size and speed of data. Imagine a hospital with thousands of patient records, or an online store with millions of purchases. That's a massive volume of data, too much for a regular computer to handle. Companies use powerful cloud systems to store and process it all. More data means we can spot rare patterns, like unusual side effects in medicine. Now, velocity data is created at lightning speed. Stock prices change every second, and companies must analyze this data in real time to make smart decisions. Your map app updates traffic info constantly, thanks to thousands of phones sending data every moment. This need for speed has led to new tech, like stream processing, analyzing data as it flows in. Businesses can react instantly to customer feedback or trends. Volume and velocity together create a fast-moving river of information. Handling it is a challenge, but it's also a huge opportunity. The faster and bigger the data, the more we can learn. That's why these V's matter. Let's look at the rest. Now for the other V's: variety, veracity, and value. Variety means data isn't just numbers in a table. It's emails, photos, videos, even voice recordings. Most data today is unstructured and messy. Data science helps us make sense of all these different types. Veracity is about trust. Data can be wrong, incomplete, or biased. Data scientists spend a lot of time cleaning data to make sure it's reliable. Garbage in, garbage out. Bad data leads to bad results. Value is the so what of data science. All this data is useless unless it leads to something valuable, like saving lives, improving products, or making cities run better. For businesses, value might mean more profit. For hospitals, it could mean better patient care. The goal is to turn raw data into real-world benefits. That's why data science matters. It's not about collecting data for its own sake. It's about finding insights that make a difference. That's the real power of the 5 V's. To find stories in data, scientists use models, simplified versions of reality that help us understand or predict. There are 2 main types: statistical models and algorithmic machine learning models. Statistical models explain relationships, like how study hours affect test scores. They're simple, transparent, and great for understanding why. Algorithmic models, or machine learning, focus on prediction. They're complex and can spot patterns humans might miss, like sorting spam emails. Sometimes we don't know exactly how they work, but they're accurate. Which is better? It depends. If you need to explain a decision, like a bank loan, use a statistical model. If you just want the best prediction, like recommending products, use machine learning. Often data scientists use both to get the best results. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job. People often mix up artificial intelligence, AI, and data science, but they're not the same. Data science uses data to find insights and help humans make decisions. AI builds systems that can act intelligently, like self-driving cars or voice assistants. Data science often uses AI tools, especially machine learning, to analyze data. The focus in data science is on understanding and insight. In AI, the goal is to build systems that can act or decide on their own. For example, a data scientist might predict a patient's risk for disease, while an AI system might automatically detect disease from a scan. Data is the fuel. AI is the engine. They work together, but their goals are different. Data science empowers people. AI often aims to automate tasks. Both are shaping our future. Let's bust some data science myths. Myth 1. You need to be a math genius or coding expert. Not true. Curiosity and critical thinking matter most. Many tools are user-friendly, and domain knowledge, understanding your field, is key. Myth 2. Data science is only about big data. Actually, most work is done on small or medium data sets. The same principles apply, no matter the size. Myth 3. Models are magic black boxes. In reality, models can be biased or make mistakes. Responsible data scientists check for fairness and accuracy. Models are tools, not oracles. Science is about questioning everything, even your own results. Stay curious and keep learning. We've explored data science, big data, models, and myths. Why learn this? Because data skills are a superpower in today's world. Data literacy, understanding and questioning data, is as important as reading and writing. No matter your career, you'll be surrounded by data. Knowing how to use it helps you make better decisions and have a bigger impact. The future runs on data medicine, cities, businesses. All depend on it. Learning data science is learning the language of the future. You don't have to be a full-time data scientist, but understanding the basics opens doors. It helps in school, jobs, and everyday life. The world needs more people who can think critically about data. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and look for the stories hidden in the numbers. Now you have the tools to find them. Go get them, science fans!